Welcome back. Here, let's learn the second part. In related parameters. In window of ZDevelop, all these information can be viewed. Here, in number. Then, in state and whether in is reversed. If on, shown in green. If off, show in gray. The last one is the special in. If there is special input, it shows name and corresponding axis number. When something changed here, please refresh it. Then, see these commands one by one. Invert in means input reversely. Generally, on means reversed, off means still. But different series controllers are with different rules. For ZMC controller, when it is off, in is valid. Then if we need inverse effects, through invert in. For ECI controller, when it is on, in is valid. Also, if we need inverse effects, through invert in. Therefore, when there is special input to be used for ZMC controller, it needs inversed. An example of ZMC controller, axis 0, axis 1, axis 2, and axis 3 are selected, and set positive hard position limits for them one by one. Because it is ZMC controller, so in signal will be triggered to be valid when off. Inverted in 6 here, then it is gray, becomes off, then valid. It can be seen IN 8, no inverted, so it is still on, but invalid. No way to trigger access to positive position limit. Hard position limit, including positive and negative. Actually, hard position limit is the physical switch component. It is mapped into in switch signal by command. Then controller position limit signal takes effect. Axis will stop immediately. The stop deceleration is the value of emergency stop deceleration. Here shows examples. But if we want to cancel it, it only sets as -1. In addition, hard position limit is used together with soft limit to confirm axis working range. And soft limit is mainly used to limit axis DPoS and software safe limit. Whatever meets hard or soft limits, axis will stop. Origin input signal. Set general input as origin switch signal. That is, used for axis homing. Alarm input. That is, in relates to driver alarms. When the alarm signal takes effect, axis stops immediately. And the stop deceleration is also this. In this example, map origin input signals of axis 0 and axis 1 into in 6 and in 7, and map alarm signals into in 10 and in 11. F hold in means keep the input, usually for keeping the input at the holding speed. That is when there is in. Axis speed will become the holding speed. So hold speed means the speed holding when hold in signal is on. Corresponding in is in hold state. Then move at this hold speed. For example, select axis 0. Running speed is 100. Holding speed is 50. Then map holds input to in 0. And invert it. When no in 0, running at 100. When there is in 0 becomes off. Then hold in takes effect, running at 50. When cancelled in 0 signal again. Speed 100 again. Jogging input. Also, there are positive and negative. When forwarding jog in inputs, the corresponding axis moves forward at the jog speed. When reversing jog in inputs, the corresponding axis moves reversely at the jog speed. If both inputs are valid, move forward. This is the jogging speed setting command. See the example and captured waveform. It can be seen forward 1 for in 0, reverse 1 for in 1, and the jogging speed is 50. So when in 0 is pressed, axis moves forward. When in 1 is pressed, axis moves inversely. When in 0 and in 1 are pressed, axis moves forward. Fast jogging. Used to switch jog speed. If fast jogging in input, speed is speed. Otherwise, speed is jog speed. And please note it must be used with the former two. Here, speed is 100, Jogging speed is 200. When it has in 0 signal, then give 1 signal for in 1. It moves at the jogging speed of 200. When it is without in 0, but only with in 1, it moves at the speed of 100. Okay, from now, second part in commands are over. Next video, the third part, access state related commands. Have a nice day.